A lot of people will say S Corp is an entity. Yes, sole proprietorship, but that's just the individual, right? So you were right on that part. A lot of people will say an S Corp is an entity. It is not. As an S Corp, you are an LLC taxed as an S Corp. The S Corp is not an entity. From a federal level, the way the federal government think, okay? Now, as an LLC, you are considered a disregarded entity on the federal level. Meaning they look at you and your business as one and the same from the federal side. Now, if you are an LLC, you definitely want to get your EIN. Can we all agree on that? Yes. Because by getting your EIN, it allows you to take tax credits and deductions that you cannot take as a sole proprietor. Okay? As an S Corp, it allows you, this is one strategy that allows you to illegally and ethically beat the tax game. We had a client that came to us. She was a 7-figure business owner, and the year before she paid 6 figures in taxes. Yes, because her business wasn't set up correctly. So we set up her to become an LLC, and the next year, her taxes decreased by over 80%. Okay? Now let me tell you how it worked. So as an LLC, you were taxed twice, unfortunately. You pay 15.3% for self-employment taxes. And then you also pay anywhere between 10% and upwards of 45% for income taxes as an LLC. Now here's the thing. As an S Corp, you avoid self-employment taxes. And you're not taxed on the income that the company earned. So you're probably like, well, Octavia, you just said the IRS is going to get their money somehow, some way. So how is this possible? Did anybody ask that? No? Yes? Okay. So it's possible because as an S Corp, you have to be set up correctly according to the IRS guidelines. And you have to operate correctly because S Corps are heavily scrutinized. S Corps are prone to audits more than LLCs. And the problem is that businesses hear this out. There are 1,001 videos about S Corps and the benefits. I probably got 3 or 4 on YouTube. However, what a lot of people are not telling you is that if you're not set up correctly and you don't operate according to the guidelines of an S Corp, you could then have the worst thing ever happen in your business and be accused of tax evasion.